learned that the wives of Jacob, with the sons being born, they also had a twin sister.
Mm-hmm.
Correct?
There is such a medrash, yes. Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then this parsha, I was studying with my wife,
mm-hmm.
and she happened to read that Benjamin, which was the last one, he was born with two sisters.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Now, what happened to those two sisters? Because if I remember correctly, my wife said that the other sisters were to intermarry with the other brothers, correct?
Okay. Yeah. Okay. I see. Okay. So go ahead. So what happened to the second sister?
But really, what we wanted to know was what happened to the two sisters that were born with Benjamin.
Okay. So that's there are actually two opinions in a Talmud. So one of the opinions, yes, that they marry each other's sisters, right, and or even their own sisters. Like it's still I would consider one opinion. But second opinion, it was actually that they married the Canaanite women, right? So what happened to the sisters of Benjamin? I don't know, but not sure what happened. So even on a grand scheme of things, it does not make any difference. The Torah is only interested in like giving us the story. The story is only to provide, I would say, a shell for the mitzvahs. Of course, we learn many things, many ethical things from how our forefathers behave and like how they communicate with each other and how they were obedient to Hashem, right? But the main point of the Torah to include all of the mitzvahs. So all of the 613 mitzvahs are actually included in these 5 books of Moshe. You understand? So the story, okay, they marry sister. They marry Canaanites, the Canaanite women, even though they convert them, they married the sisters. I mean, that doesn't make any big difference. I don't think so.